Yes, hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss top 5 important questions in the solid state chapter. Sir, here one of the question is there. Look at all of you. Sir, NaCl is doped with 10 to the power of minus 3 mole percentage of SrCl2. The concentration of cationic vacancies per mole of NaCl will be. They are asking a question like this. So look at, we know that it is belongs to non-stoichiometric deficiency and that metal deficiency defect it is. So look at how it is. So whatever it may be. The question is NaCl is doped with 10 to the power of minus 3 mole percentage of SrCl2. So NaCl is doped with 10 to the power of minus 3 mole percentage of SrCl2. Sir, what does it mean? What does it mean means, sir, 100 moles of NaCl contains, 100 moles of NaCl contains, so 10 to the power of minus 3 moles of SrCl2. SrCl2 impurity like this. Sir, in case 1 mole of NaCl, 1 mole of NaCl contains, 1 mole of NaCl contains, sir, how many moles of SrCl2? So that we have to take it is X equals to, sir, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by, so cross multiplication we are doing 100, then you can get 10 to the power of minus 5. So 10 to the power of minus 4 moles of 10 to the power of minus 5 moles of SrCl2 is there in it. SrCl2 is there. So here, so we got the answer for this 10 to the power of minus 5 moles of SrCl2. It is for 1 mole of NaCl contains. What they are asking, the concentration of cationic vacancies per 1 mole of NaCl will be. The question. So here 1 mole of Sr plus 2 ions. 1 mole of Sr plus 2 ions contains 1 mole of cationic vacancies. 1 mole of cationic vacancies. Sir, here 10 to the power of 5 moles is there, 10 to the power of 5 moles of Sr plus 2 ions contains, sir, how many moles of cations? How many moles of cation? Again cross multiplication we have to do. Sir, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 5, 10 to the power of minus 5. Sir, into sir, Avogadro number, 1 mole of SrCl2 minus nothing but Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Sir, 10 to the power of minus 5, 10 to the power of minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 23. Then you can get 10 to the power of 18. Sir, here 6.02 into 10 to the power of 18. This is the cationic vacancies in it. So this is the concentration of cationic vacancies per mole of NaCl will be. So answer is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 18. Let's look at the next question. It is the second question in the solid state. So top 5 important questions we are discussing in the solid state. Sir, second question, how many unit cells are present in cubic shaped ideal crystal of NaCl mass 1 gram? NaCl mass 1 gram. Sir, actually NaCl molecular mass if you take, sir, 58.5. We know that NaCl molecular mass 23 plus, sir, 35.5 if you take 58.5. 58.5 grams of NaCl 58.5 grams of NaCl contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of molecules. So according to the mole concept, it is molar mass of any compound that contains Avogadro number of molecules. Here they are given 1 gram of NaCl. So in case 1 gram of NaCl if you take, 1 gram of NaCl if you take, so how many number of molecules are there? So you have to do the cross multiplication for this. So x equals to cross multiplication if you do. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 1. So divided by, so what you have to take? So 58.5 grams. So these are the molecules. These are the molecules. Okay, right. So here 1 gram of NaCl contains this many number of molecules. But the question is, how many number of unit cells are present in the 1 gram of NaCl? So here just take it, 4 molecules of NaCl. 4 molecules of NaCl contains 1 unit cell. Sir, why? How it is? Because from the FCC structure, sir, in the FCC number of molecules are 4 or number of atoms are 4, that is equals to 1 unit cell, FCC unit cell. NaCl is belongs to FCC unit cell, that you have to remember it. Then here the remaining molecules are mentioned, it is 4 molecules containing 1 unit cell. Then 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by, sir, 58.5 number of NaCl contains, sir, how many number of unit cells? So that you have to do the cross multiplication. Sir, what is the cross multiplication? Look at, sir, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 58.5, this is the into 1, sir, again divided by 4, so 4, that is. Sir, if you do this classification, that is multiplication, then you can get the answer here. So 2.57 into 10 to the power of 21 unit cells you can get answer. Understand all of you? So this is the question. So one more question will do. Yes, look at the next question. The composition of sample Wurtzite, that is the formula Fe 0.93 oxygen 1. The percentage of iron in the form of Fe plus 3 ions is, percentage of iron in the form of Fe plus 3 ions is. This is the question. So look at now the composition of sample, how much is given? Sorry, Fe 0.93, then oxygen, like this is given. Oxygen 1.00, like this. So nothing but for every 100 oxygen molecules, iron molecules are present, iron atoms are present, only 93 atoms are present. In the 93 atoms, one is Fe plus 2 state, another one is Fe plus 3 state, like this. Sir, here every molecule, sir, positive charge is equals to negative charge. You can take charges, both are equal, because even non-stoichiometric or stoichiometric or electron deficiency defects are electrically, they can maintain the neutrality. So that is the reason here we are taking. So look at, sir, what is the positive charge of irons are there? Plus 2 state. So before going to that, sir, here Fe plus 3 ions, how many are there in the 93 atoms? We don't know. So that is why you have to take it as X atoms. Then Fe plus 2 ions, sir, how many number of atoms are there in it? So that we have to take it is 93 minus X have to take. Now total charge of cation and total charge of anion you have to take. Then from this, so here total charge of cation, what is there? Plus 2 state, sir, plus 2 state, so that is 93 minus X, then plus 3 state, that is X, it is equals to, sir, oxygen minus 2 oxidation state we know, right? So 2 into, so how many atoms are there? 100 atoms are there. So if you do this, so 186 minus 2x plus 3x equals to 200. So from this, if you calculate the x, you can get 14 you can get. Then 14 are what? So 14 are Fe plus 3 ions. Fe plus 3 ions are 14. What they are asking? Percentage of iron in the form of Fe plus 3. So if you want to find out the percentage of ions, so percentage of Fe plus 3 ions equals to, so total number of Fe plus 3 ions are how many are there? 14. So divided by total number of iron atoms are how many are there? 93. So into 100 have to take like this. Then finally you can get the answer. So 15%. This is the answer for this. Understand? So we will do next question. Yes. Look at the next question. Sir, formula of nickel oxide with metal deficiency in its crystal is Ni, that is 0.98 oxygen. It is 1 atom. Then the crystal contains Ni plus 2 and Ni plus 3 ions. The fraction of nickel existing as Ni plus 2 ions in the crystal is, they are not asking a percentage, fraction they are asking. So you have to do the same calculation before what the problem we are done. So first you have to take the formula Ni 0.98 oxygen like this. So here now I told you oxygen having 100 atoms, then nickel having 98 atoms. In the 98 atoms, Ni, it is present in the plus 2 state and it is present in the plus 3 state also. So that here first you have to take Ni plus 3 ions. Ni plus 3 ions are X atoms. Then Ni plus 2 ions are how many? That is, you have to take 98 minus X. Then what about the oxygen? Sir, oxygen atoms are 100 only. Like this. So now total charge of cation and total charge of anion. Total charge of cation is equals to total charge of anion you have to take. So first we are taking, so total charge of cation, it is equals to total charge of anion. So here cation we are taking, so plus 2 state what is there, plus 3 state what is there. So plus 2 state, so plus 2 into 98 minus X plus, so X which is plus 3 states, so plus 3 into X equals to, so here oxygen same like that, 2 into 100 like this you have to take. Then totally you can get the X value, it is equals to 4. You can get the X value is 4. So X value you got 4. Then what about the Ni plus 2 ions? So Ni plus 2 ions, what I told, Ni plus 2 ions, it is equals to, so 98 minus 4. So 98 minus 4 you can get 94. What they are asking? Sir, fraction of nickel existing as Ni plus 2 ions. So fraction of Ni plus 2 ions equals to, sir, first total number of Ni plus 2 ions are 94. Total number of Ni ions are 98. Ni plus 2 ions are 94 divided by 98. So that fraction you can get, it is 0.96 approximate value. So that is the answer of this. Thank you. Yes, look at the fifth question. A compound is formed by cations and anions. The anions from the hexagonal close packed lattice. Cations are occupies 75% of that you have to note it. Octahedral voids. 75% of octahedral voids. Then the formula of the compound is, they are asking a question like this. A compound formed by the cations C, anions A. You have to take like this. So the anions are forms hexagonal close packing. Anions, this is hexagonal, HCP, hexagonal close packing. For HCP lattice, number of atoms are, we know that 6. So number of atoms are how many? 6 for the HCP. Then the cations are occupies, this is the cation. Cations are occupies 75% of crystal from its lattice. So actually octahedral voids are occupies, they mentioned octahedral voids. So octahedral voids formula, it is equals to n, nothing but 6. So 6 into 0.75% is not total, 75% is only it is occupied. So 75% is nothing but you can take it as 3 by 4th. So 3 by 4th into that is what 6. So 3 by 4, 6 into 3 by 4. Okay, right? So here you can get the answer. Sorry, that is the answer you can get here. So here 6 into 3 by 4, 0.75, you can get the answer is 9. So 4.5 you can get. 4.5. So what about the A atoms? So A atoms, Z equals to what? 6. So atoms are 6 this. So to get whole number of both, you have to multiply with 2. So multiply with 2 this. Which one? C. Multiply with 2 this. Then you can get here 9. Here you can get answer 12. Right? So here 3 3s, then 3 4s. So finally, so C atoms we got 3. Then 4 A atoms we got 4. So C3A4 is the answer for this. So C3A4 is the answer. Thank you.